was located over Rayford, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Star, Rayford, Beasley, New River, Sampson, Hampton, and Johnstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Alachua, Bradford, Clay, and Union. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXJ60 in Gainesville, Florida, serving